Hello friends and welcome to the Architecture Enthusiast. When Hoover Dam was built in the 1930s, the Great Dam was known for its engineering superlatives. It was the highest dam ever built, the costliest water project, home of the largest power plant of its time. Today, we can see that the dam is not only an engineering wonder. It also is a work of art. The more streamlined look of the completed project was influenced by two men who were not engineers, architect Gordon B. Kaufmann and artist Alan True. Both were retained to counterbalance the engineers' focus on functionality rather than aesthetics. Kaufmann simplified the dam's design and replaced ornamentation with the flowing lines of Modernism and Art Deco. The four areas where his influence is most visible are the power plant, dam crest, intake towers, and spillways. He transformed the power plant with color and facades. He blended four protruding towers on the crest into the face of the structure. He smoothed the upper portions of the four intake towers and reworked the two spillways to accent Art Deco elements. Four square towers interspersed with small observation niches protrude above the top of the dam. Together these elements cast shadows along the crest of the dam, emphasizing the texture of the concrete. The outer towers house utilities and public restrooms. The two inner towers, one in Nevada, one in Arizona, contain elevators that carry workers and visitors into the dam. As the public entrances to the dam, these towers display the only decorative treatment on the structure's exterior. Each has 5 concrete bas-reliefs executed by the sculptor Oscar J. W. Hansen. Nevada's tower depicts the benefits of Hoover Dam, flood control, navigation, irrigation, water storage, and power. Hansen also designed winged figures of the Republic, two 30-foot-tall bronze winged figures on a polished black diorite base, installed in a plaza of Hansen's design on the Nevada side of the river to commemorate the dam's construction. The U-shaped power plant, on the downstream side of the dam, nestled near the bottom of the canyon, has thick concrete walls, unadorned except for pilaster strips facing the water and flanking rows of windows. 4 intake towers, 2 on the Nevada side, 2 on the Arizona side, rise on the upstream side of the dam. The towers, with their smooth piers and roofs topped by light globes, continue the dam's formal style. There was never any desire or attempt to create an architectural effect or style, he later explained, but rather to take each problem and integrate it to the whole in order to secure a system of plane surfaces relieved by shadows here and there. Kaufmann had established a name for himself for the work he had done in the modern style. After reviewing then putting aside the early renderings of the Bureau of Reclamation engineers, replete with classical ornamentation, Kaufmann set out to create a visual scheme that would complement rather than clash with the engineer's design. Through his work, Kaufmann transformed the dam's utilitarian concrete surfaces into modern Art Deco designs. Recognizing that the dam's broad, curving, downstream face was its dominant feature, Kaufmann chose to play upon its monolithic appearance by keeping it free of adornment. His design emphasized the power exuded by the structure. Kaufmann redesigned the dam's powerhouse at its base with shiny horizontal aluminum fins for windows. The dam spillways were also designed with the mantra of form follows function in mind. Their smooth, curving surfaces played up the whole streamlining effect. From the outside, the clean lines and shiny surfaces of Hoover Dam lent a space-age feel to this monument of industrial might. Kaufmann recruited Alan True to design the distinctive floor patterns and color schemes that adorn the interior of the powerhouse. A competition, under Kaufmann's supervision, was held to choose a designer of a monument commemorating the dam's construction. Oscar J. W. Hansen, who had designed the ornamental elevator tower panels, emerged as the winner. His monument consisted of two 32-foot-tall winged figures, made of bronze, and was called Winged Figures of the Republic. The monument's terrazzo floor, which paid homage to the Native American heritage of the surrounding land, holds a celestial map pinpointing the precise astronomical time, September 30, 1935, 8:56 p.m. when President Franklin Roosevelt dedicated the dam.